Hi, very brief review of this protein. It's by this brand called Rivalus. A lot of you must be knowing what the brand is all about. It's a very good brand. So they are selling this native whey protein. If you check the ingredients, it's mentioned very clean stuff. Native whey protein isolate, natural flavor, cocoa, uh, stevia extract, monk fruit extract, lactase enzyme, and supplement facts. If you see, um, very less carbs. Fat is like almost negligible. Protein 30 gram and 36.5 is the serving size, which is like about I think the yield is about 80%, which is very good profile. Clean stuff, no artificial stuff here, or natural flavor, naturally sweetened, which is a very plus point. Apart from that, let us just discuss about this native way. Okay, so you might come across this brand um, uh, Pronativ, because it is powered by Pronativ. So I just researched about this brand. It's run by this dairy firm called Lactalis. It's a France-based dairy firm, and they have innovated this native way. Okay, so what happens is native way is kind of patented by them. So in case if you see native way anywhere, like in a lot of brands nowadays are coming with native way, it's powered. It's always powered by this brand. It's patented by Pronative. Okay, so that aside, so what is a native way? Native way is actually different from the standard way. How it is different from the standard way is that, first of all, it is not made by that residue of cheese. So when you like make cheese, that watery part, that is whey. After segregation, that is whey, and from that, after processing it, you get concentrated, and after further processing it, you get isolated whey protein. But in case of native whey, it is extracted directly from milk. Okay, so low temperature filtration, it says USP is plus point. Yes, might be, it might be that it leads to less denaturing, but I don't really think that it is like not denatured at all, because any process does denature the protein a little. But its USP, one more thing is this, that it's from pasture raised and grass fed cows. So it's kind of like, not kind of, but ethically sourced. It's a grass fed cows. It's better. It's legit stuff here. Grass fed cows. And what they claim is, they also claim this. Yeah, see this. No antibiotics, no hormones, synthetic color, nothing, no filler creamer like xanthine, any other thickener, no artificial sweetener, flavor, no banned substance. Yeah, no banned substance. That is why you see this informed choice. Apart from that, very good profile. Protein profile is perfect. Clean stuff, I would say, very clean. It's made up of 100% native whey protein isolate, so just native whey inside this. Flavor, if you talk about flavor, I think it's like pretty average flavor, you might like it or you might not like it. I'm like okay with it, because flavor is kind of like in the okay-ish range. Apart from that, you should just give it a try. If you are into clean stuff, you definitely like this. And yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention here, that they claim that it's proven, yeah, in fact, that it's 17% more in leucine, arginine, and glutamine. So with less serving, you'll be able to generate start MPS, muscle protein synthesis. That is for sure, since it is 17%. And if you check their website, it's mentioned that with just 18 gram, no, 15 grams of pro native whey isolate, it will spur muscle protein synthesis. And amount of leucine you need spur muscle protein synthesis is just 2 grams, so it gives 2 grams for sure. Yeah, I think I have covered everything about Native Way and this brand in particular. It's taste wise, if you don't really care about taste is like okay, nothing special about it, so you can really go for this. This is very clean stuff out here.